Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Juana. And guys, I am so happy. It's finally here. Hallelujah. Cricut did an update or upgrade to the software, and now we're going to be able to print then cut in a larger size. The size that they are allowing us to print now is 11 by 17, but actually it's about 11 by 16 point some, but it's big and I'm happy with it. So guys, I'm going to take you step by step. I have not done it yet, so we're going to do it together. I'm going to explain you the whole situation from beginning to the end. So guys, I can't wait to do it. So let's get started. Okay, people, so we are in Cricut design space. Yes, so we're going to try this new thing. I am so happy. I hope it works. I haven't tried it yet. We finally can print then cut in the larger size. So let's see, people. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. So we're going to go down to settings. So in settings, we're going to, if you notice, we are on live. All right. We're going to switch that to beta. And then after that, we're going to go to load type. That's going to ask us what size of paper we're going to be doing. And so by default, it comes in a letter size, right? We're going to go down and I'm going to choose A3 because my printer is a 15,000 and the paper size I have it set up as an A3, which is an 11.7 by 16.5. That's the largest size this new setup in Cricut allows you to print. You cannot do larger than that, all right? So I'm going to press done. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to pick one of the files that I already have that I know is print and cut because it's a PNG file. So it's this one right here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to add to Canva. I'm going to view it in my Canva. And wow, it came huge. So let me make this smaller. I'm gonna go ahead here and I'm going to make sure that the lock is locked and I want my width to be 11. All right, so I'm gonna go 11 in here, and I'm gonna, oops, that's too many numbers in there. 11.0. And I'm gonna go enter and the other number should change. And it did. So it gave me an 11 by 8. I'm gonna make it bigger now. And let's see and listen, people. You know what? Look at this. No restriction or anything. So yay! Okay, so now that we're here, we have the size that we want, which is the 11 by 8. I'm gonna go ahead and go make it. And if you notice, this is the way it came out. All right, you're gonna notice the areas that it was left in here because of course the setup is for print and cut, but the only part that I'm gonna be using is the printing part. I'm not gonna cut the image. So at the same time, it's already right here. I'm gonna go and select the printer that I have, which is the EcoTank 15,000, and I'm gonna leave it on add bleed and I'm gonna add use system dialog. Click here and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click print. I am so happy that we finally can do this. I cannot believe that the day came that we can complete one task on one software instead of jumping back and forth. So guys, I'm gonna see you in a little bit, okay? Okay guys, so this is the printout from the Epson 15,000 and all I had to do now is make sure that I'm gonna take these marks off because I don't need it for sublimation. If you're gonna do a real print and cut, then you leave these marks on because the Cricut is gonna need that to be able to work the print and cut, all right? But I am not gonna use that second part of print and cut. All I'm gonna do is the printing, all right? So I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna be using my HTV runs for this project, and I'm waiting for it to warm up to 400 for a minute, 60 seconds, all right? I'm gonna be using my trimming ruler for most of the trimming. This is a serrated ruler that is perfect for cutting this kind of paper. I got this from Amazon. I will link it down in the description box, okay? So this is the way that it cuts the paper. And the reason why I do this, and most people know, for those who are new on sublimation, is so that the mark of the regular paper doesn't stay in the fabric of the garment, the indentation. It makes it irregular so it doesn't, transfer to the garment that you're going to sublimate, all right? This part is too close to the heart, so I'm gonna do it by hand. And this part also. I'm gonna go ahead and do it by hand because I don't want it to tear the heart. Okay. This is ready to roll. We're gonna need the butcher paper. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the butcher paper and see you in a little bit, okay? And this is the shirt that we're gonna be working on. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make sure that there's nothing in the shirt to mess up the design. With sublimation, you have to clean the shirt of all the dust and everything. No matter if you see that it's completely white and you don't see anything, believe me, the dust is in there, and once you sublimate on it, it's gonna appear like blue dots. So make sure you do a good job. Look at all the dirt, the thing that came out. You see? This is a Cricut shirt. It's 100% polyester. It's 100% polyester. I'm gonna move you around. For those who have done this before, you know the drill, right? But I think for the most part, a lot of people already have practiced sublimation. I'm just gonna warm up the shirt for a couple of seconds. Just for a couple of seconds. Okay. Now I'm going to proceed to place the butcher paper, which I have here, under the shirt and on top of the shirt. Butcher paper, that is to protect the shirt, the back of the shirt, that the ink doesn't go through, and to protect the plaiting, the top plaiting of the press. Okay. Always give it one last brush. Okay. Here's the design. I'm just entering the shirt. This is pretty good. It's looking pretty good. I like my design to be high. I don't like it in the middle of my chest, so that's why I'm just about 3 fingers in height from the color. And of course, we're gonna be using the heat resistant tape. And we are going to press it. Whoops, almost forgot, people. With your paper. You can, I don't know, you cannot see it, but there's ink on this paper. We do not reuse the paper, okay? Look at how pretty, people. All right? Gorgeous. All right? Here we go. So, Cricut Design Space, now we are happy. We can print large designs with the new upgrade. Yep. Well, people, I hope you like this. I'm happy that I'm gonna turn this off. I am happy that I was able to show you this new upgrade from Cricut. We waited for a long time. And yeah, so guys, if you're new to my channel and you like this kind of, content, make sure you just subscribe to my channel, The Crafty Puerto Rican. And guys, yeah, so I will see you pretty soon. See you later. Bye-bye. Hasta luego.